Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and just happy Diwali to all of you. And yeah, be a patakha on this Diwali in under budget. And let's get started a Diwali makeup tutorial in just 1000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. So yeah, let's get started. All the products are under 1000 rupees. Emollient moisturizer, sugar primer. For the dewy base, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation with Swiss Beauty Hydrating Primer and Highlighting Primer too. Mix it well. I prefer to wear it like this, so it gives the natural finish. Using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. Using the Swiss Beauty Cream Blush. So to set everything, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Compact Powder. I'm gonna use Sugar Brow Definer. So for the blusher and bronzing, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Chicken Boo palette, and this is one of my favorite. So for the eye makeup, I'm gonna use a very budget friendly Swiss Beauty glitter palette. There are 4 shades of shimmer, and for the base, I'm gonna use a brown lip liner. You can use any of your black, brown. I'm gonna use the chocolate brown lip liner of Color Bar. The shade number is 014. Small blending brush and just blend it. Now use a bronzer, use it in for a transition shade, and you can see it's a very neutral shade. Now take a large fluffy brush and just blend it everything well. Beautiful 4 lustrous shades and apply it over the lid. So for blending under eye, I'm gonna use a brown kajal. Blend it with the brown shadow, or you can use a bronzer. And favorite lipstick from Sugar Cosmetic, and it's in the shade 04 Salmon Sake. This is the beautiful nude lip shade.